Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode. Today in the garage, we're going to be showing you how to install our SS5 CrossLink windshield kit like you see here on this 2021 Honda Talon. Let's get started.
Using a 5mm Allen, remove the front Allen bolt from the roof and save the washer. Place the washer on the roof, followed by the CrossLink windshield bracket. Secure the bracket using the included 5mm Allen bolt, but do not tighten all the way. At the lower mounting point, keep the bracket aligned with the roll cage and secure it using the included nut and bolt. If you have an aftermarket windshield that covers this, you may need to remove it or adjust it. Tighten using a 10mm socket and wrench, then finish securing the top Allen bolt. Repeat for the other side. Now we can assemble our SS5 CrossLink light bar. We'll align the light bar to the first notch of the CrossLink hardware. Check out the video in the description below for all the steps on how to assemble and adjust your CrossLink light bar. With our light bar assembled, use a 10mm socket to secure both support link mounts to the underside of the CrossLink hardware after the second pod on both sides. Grab a friend and lift the CrossLink light bar into place. Line up the top two mounting points on the through holes of the bracket and secure using the included 10mm bolts on both sides. Adjust the support link mount to press against the roof and tighten with a 13 and 14mm wrench. Repeat the process on the other support link mount. With everything secure, begin plugging in the 8-pod CrossLink harness to each pod, making sure the male end of the harness is on the driver's side. At the rear, release 3 metal clips holding the battery cover in place and remove it. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the positive and negative connections on the battery and add the positive and negative leads from the harness. Secure the fuse and relay, then replace the battery cover. Next, use a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool to remove 3 clips. With the trim piece loose, route the switch and DT connector through, then replace the clips we removed. Route the switch to any desired location, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. We're routing ours along the driver's side roll bar and mounting near the driver's seat using zip ties. Route the DT connector similar to the switch, bringing it up to the CrossLink harness and plug it in. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties and put everything back together how we took it apart. As you can see, with our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar Kit installed, not only does it provide you with an aggressive off-road appearance, but you'll also have an insane amount of added light in front of your vehicle. In addition to the high output, our SS5s come with 8 selectable backlight colors you can easily cycle with the included toggle switch when the main beam isn't in use.
If you're interested in picking up an SS5 CrossLink light bar for your Honda Talon or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.